Hello guys! Good morning! Dito na naman ako ulit. So, I'm going to make breakfast. So, my husband's breakfast is bacon and eggs. And after this, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna do some walking. It's his breakfast. He want it a little bit burned. So, I just air fry it. And then after this, I'm gonna cook some eggs. Just 2 pieces. And my breakfast, guys, just this. Cantaloupe, orange juice. I'm glad that my husband, he have some appetite now. Because yesterday, he don't really have appetite. He always just vomit the food that he eats. And he feels like constipated. Salt, pepper. Guys, my husband is taking a shower right now. It's already 10 a.m. here, so it's already almost a lunchtime. I just love eating fruit in breakfast. I don't really eat much rice now, guys, just once a day. That's my goal. Kaya talagang mag-exchange ng pan na to. Hindi na siya non-stick. I don't really want to put a lot of oil. Ay. Basic lang. This is the bacon that my husband wants. A little bit burned. He just like a burned one and crispy. I'm glad he can eat better now compare yesterday. Yung cook na cook talaga yung egg yolk niya. Ayaw yan ng parang nagtutubig pa. May lunch. Ayan, bangus. I'm just gonna eat my lunch maybe 3 p.m. because I already have a late breakfast. And my dinner is like 9 or 10 p.m. ng damit. This is my husband's breakfast, and then I'm just gonna add bread and cheese. This, loaves. So, in the bathroom still. Just wait there, babe, huh? Got your clothes. Oh. I'm just gonna get some of your shirt. You want me to help you there?
Yes, please.
Okay. Wait, yes, huh? I'm just gonna help my husband to put his dress. We're just gonna eat here, guys. We're just gonna stand up because because my husband, it's hard for him to sit down.
Can't see.
You want some orange juice?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's my breakfast, baby. Just cantaloupe. So melon for me.
Oh.
Then juice. You're not allergic to orange juice, baby. Just a juice.
No.
What else should I get? Cheese?
Yeah.
Is it? I still need to slice it. I don't know. Hold down.
Ah, that wasn't in the bag.
Hmm?
It's gonna go bad.
It's not. I covered it here.
Oh, okay.
Supposed to be not this. Tell me if you want more, huh? This cheese. After this, guys, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna do some walking thing. You have this told one.
Yeah.
Put it in the refrigerator. Just
Okay.
to I don't know where you bought this.
I don't know.
It's not here.
Might need to use another knife. It's like a,
It's hard.
yeah. The bigger the easier. The big one.
So hard.
Because you got a tiny knife.
This one.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
What I'm doing the I cover this. And then do this with the cheese so that's not gonna get old. You wanna move here a little bit? Pretty good. You went so fast. Ito problem.
Zah.
I'm glad you can eat a lot now, Ben.
I don't feel like I can. Took 2 bites and I'm already kind of full.
She's already full. You feel like
Keep
you're gonna
going.
vomit? No. Let's try.
Oh well.
Well, last time you can eat 3 pieces of that so fast. Need to put salt.
I think I need to sit down, man.
Okay.
Can you bring it in the bedroom for me?
Okay, I will. Ay guys, ang ending hindi pa kami nakalakad-lakad sa labas kasi natulog ako. Siya din. Kasi kaninang gabi mga 3 a.m. na akong natulog. So dito na naman kami sa bahay. So mag-lunch muna ako. I'm going to make longganisa. Hanggang ngayon di pa ako nakaligo because yesterday when I was making that longganisa, I'm wearing this. And it was like 2 p.m. So maliligo ako after nito kasi hindi naman ako lumalabas ng bahay. So wala ka namang hindi ka naman exposed sa sa labas. At malamig naman dito sa loob kaya parang tamad ako maligo. So, this is the longganisa. The frozen ko. Niluto. Ito lutuin ko guys. Ito yung ginawa kong longganisa kahapon. Lagay ko lang ito dito siya. Malinis naman siya ng water. Wait. So, ilagay ko. Kasi nilutuan ko ito kanina ng itlog. Nugasan ko lang. Kahapon na-try ko na to siya. Hala, ang tigas kasi nilagay. Tapos sa chiller lang dapat. Frozen yung ating longganisa. Sana mabuksan ko pa to. Patayin ko muna. Ipopost ko yung video mamaya, guys. Tapos nung kumain. Ay, ano pala ipopost? Ilalagay ko dito. Ayan yung longganisa na ginawa ko. Diba? Ayan. Gawa ko ng kanin. May tubig ko lang yung kanin. Kanin guys, microwave ko. Tawag sa amin ito binisaya. Yung bagoong na na hindi siya niluto. Pero nilagay lang siya dito. Ayun, sarap. Baby shrimp na maliliit. Sarap ito guys, promise. Pair mo sa luto ng na. Nang dumating, nang galing pa to sa Pilipinas. Sarap. Nag-mix ko. Ay, hala. Ewan ko kung nakatry kayo nito guys. Basta ayan siya. Ayan yung kanyang itsura. Tapos lagyan mo to ng ang bagoong din to. Lagyan mo ng tawag dun. Kalamansi. Siya guys, batang to. Yan yung ating longganisa. Ano ba Tapos na ano guys, yung pan ko. Ayan. Basta longganisa. Longganisa to siya ha. Ayan o. Ay, wow. Diba? Ang sarap. Ilagay na natin dito. Lagyan ko to ng tubig. Sinabatok. Okay. Ayan yung aking lunch. Homemade longganisa ko guys. Ito na yung ginawa kong longganisa. Ito yung bagoong na hilaw. Uy, wow! Yummy! Kain tayo guys. Ito na yung longganisa. Ayan o. Kita nyo dyan yung mga gamit namin. Andun na lang kasi wala na akong space. So yung gagawin, malapit na rin kaming lilipat. At may malaki-laki akong kitchen doon. Ibang view na naman ang makikita nyo guys. Mas maganda doon. Kasi may backyard ako doon. Makapagtanim ako. May backyard dito. Pero parang hindi ko talaga gusto. At may backyard doon. Malaki. Mag-house tour ako soon. Guys, finish na akong kumain. Busog na busog. Thank you, Lord. Parang matutulog na naman ulit ako. And maliligo lang ako. Lalabas kami ng bahay. Mag-video ako after. Ano pa lang dito? 12:30. Lunchtime talaga. Busog na busog ako. Ang dami kong kinaing rice. Basta ng pinggan. Ay, tubig pala. Yung bangus ko parang tatapon ko na lang kasi hindi ko naman, parang ayaw kong kainin. Kasi yun bang ikaw lang isang kumakain. Yung asawa ko hindi naman siya kumakain ng isda. So ako lang yung kumakain mag-isa. Parang boring pag ikaw lang. So hindi ko minsan mauubos. Dalawa lang naman kami. So, once a week lang ako maglaba. Pero pag mga bedsheets lalabahan ko, so minsan twice a week kasi noon ako yung laba. Para tipid sa tipid sa powder. Mahal pa naman ng mga sabon. Konti lang din yung hugasin ko. Excited lang ang kamalingan yung sawa ko para siya naman hugas ng pinggan. Kasi pag okay siya, pag nagluluto ako, siya yung naghugas ng pinggan. So ngayon, kasi hindi naman siya nakagawa ng mga bagay-bagay ngayon. Kasi recovery pa siya. So ako muna maghugas ng pinggan palagi. Mga 2 months. Yung recovery niya guys, fully recovered na talaga siya. 3 to 4 months. Yung 4 months, yung pinaka fully recovered na. So, babalik na yung asawa ko sa trabaho, mga 3 months siguro. Pero mga light work lang, sa office lang. Kasi madali lang naman yung yung work niya mostly sa office lang siya. Ano pala yung asawa ko guys, electrician siya dito sa school, malapit sa amin, sa university. Yan yung work niya. For how many years na siguro? Magta 10 years na. Next year. Magta 10 years na siya next year, I think.
Kaya ayaw niya mag-stop ng work kasi sayang yung mga benefits. Especially pag mag 10 years. Sayang yung pension niya. At least, pagtanda namin, may malaki-laking pension kang makakuha. Especially pag mag-stay siya sa work niya hanggang 60 or 65. Pero, depende. Kasi, gusto niya. If pwede na, if sapat naman yung kita, mag-stop na siya ng magre-retire siya ng early like 50 years old, 55. Para ma-enjoy niya naman yung life, hindi puro trabaho lang. Pero that's good kasi madami na siyang napasukang trabaho noon. So ngayon, electrician. So doon siya tumagal kasi maganda yung work niya, mabilis lang. Nag-work yan siya 7 a.m. tapos uwi na siya ng 3 p.m. 3 or 3:30. So hindi ka masyadong pagod. Tapos minsan pag nag-overtime, malapit lang din sa bahay namin kasi 5 minutes away lang. Kaya dito kami, kasi 5 minutes away lang siya sa house na tinitirahan namin ngayon at papunta sa work niya. Pwede mo lang scooter. Mostly yung mga tao dito nagba-bicycle lang sila at nagsi-scooter. Yung place namin ay capital siya ng mga bicycle. Yan, basta yan yung tawag na dito, kahit wala kang sasakyan, okay lang. Kasi madaming nagbabike, scooter, kahit yung mga matatanda, yan yung ginagawa nila. So, yung nilipatang bahay namin, mga 15 minutes away sa work niya. Pero okay lang din, kasi malapit-lapit yun sa anak niya. So, mag-school na yung anak niya, at masundo-sundo lang namin kasi malapit lang yung school niya sa bahay namin. So, yun yung rason na lilipat kami para malapit siya sa anak niya. Na hindi ako mahirapan kasi pag mag-work siya ako yung susundo. So, pwede ko lang malakad-lakad yung school niya papunta sa aming bahay.
Hello mga madam. Good afternoon. So today ay magluluto ako ng longganisa. At ito lang yung mga ingredients, guys. Simpleng-simple lang. Meron tayo ditong ground chicken na 1/2 kilo and 1 cup ng sugar, black pepper, salt, 2 cloves ng garlic. Cloves ba tama? Garlic and 2 tablespoon ng all-purpose flour, or you can use cornstarch kasi wala akong cornstarch. And then, oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon lang yung ilalagay ko mamaya. And then, datu puti na soy sauce. Or you can use whatever soy sauce you want. Naisipan kong gumawa nito kasi minsan, pag magbe-breakfast tayo, need natin ng madaliang food lang. Yung ipiprito mo na lang ba at nakakamiss din yung pagkain sa Pilipinas. So, instead na bumili tayo, kasi ang mahal ng mga longganisa dito, guys. Especially, pag bumili ka sa mga Filipino store, ang mamahal. Kaya naisipan ko na lang na gumawa kasi madali lang naman pala. And my husband is there. He's laying down because his back, it's still not doing good. So, I'm bored. So, I'm just gonna make a cooking video. And later, I'm gonna invite my friend. We're gonna eat some ensaymada pandesal, and she's gonna bring some pizza, and we're gonna eat this longganisa. So it's already 2 p.m. and she will be here by 6:30. Guys, I'm going to mix all the ingredients. I don't have gloves. Wala akong gloves. I'm not sure saan ba yung gloves ko. Pero yung kamay ko malinis yan, guys, ha. Ayan. Yung nails ko malinis. I'm gonna wash well. I don't know where's my gloves, sorry. Is it now? So I'm just gonna use my hand so that I'm gonna put all the wet ingredients first. Wait. Ayan. Ay! 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon lang, guys, because I'm gonna put soy sauce. Ano lang to, mekos-mekos. And then, 2 tablespoon ng soy sauce. Maganda sana pag may ano ko, I have anato powder or aswete. Pero wala. Hindi ako nakabili ng aswete. Then I'm gonna put some pepper. I want with lots of pepper. I want with lots of pepper. Salt. Put it first in my hand. So, mga 1 tablespoon ng salt. Depende sa taste nyo, guys. And then, sugar. Marami-raming sugar. Lots of sugar. So that it's a sweet style longganisa. Filipino style. And, yung 2 cloves. 2 cloves ba yan? Ng garlic. 2 cloves or 2 cloves? Cloves. Minced garlic. Mas masarap pag madaming garlic. Set aside na natin to kasi hugasan ko na yan mamaya. And then, the all-purpose flour na 2 tablespoon. That's it. And, just gonna put it back, all the ingredients. Mix, guys. I'm just gonna mix it. I'm just gonna use my hand. I think I need to add more soy sauce. I think. Kasi parang dry. Perfect sana pag may ano to, may aswete pa o aswete na lagyan ng konting tubig para ano siya, yung kulay ba niya parang medyo red. Gasan ko naman ulit yung kamay ko. Walang magbubukas. Wala akong assistant. Lang. Estimate lang. Kasi gusto ko yung kulay niya. Parang brown na brown. I already mix it. Ito yung kanyang itsura. Mag-try muna ako ng konti kasi ipiprito ko siya sa kalan. Piprito ko lang muna. Try ako ng konti kung yung lasa ba ay okay na para sure. Before natin balutin. Na-mix na talaga siya ng mabuti. Meron ako ditong kamote. Sweet potato kasi para to sa sa asawa ko kasi mahirapan siyang need niya ng fiber kasi na siya constipated. Oo, yun. Basta yun. Ayun, oh. Init na yung ating pan. Lagay ko to, guys. Small amount lang. Okay ba? Na-fry ko na siya, guys. Ito. At masarap siya. Tamang-tama lang yung lasa. And now, ready ko na tong balutin. Just need cling wrap. Bilisan ko muna, guys. Make sure everything is clean.
just need to cut this. Then make it medyo big siya guys, para marami-rami. Ayan. Ay, hala. I'm not an expert in doing this, but I'll try my best. Again. I think I'm gonna cut some of it. Para short lang siya. Ito. Here's the longganisa. Pangalawang ano ko na to. I tried this last time and it tastes good too. Because I'm gonna freeze it. Tapos na akong magbalot guys ng longganisa. Ito na lahat. Nasa 30 pieces siya sa 1/2 kilo. So, madami-dami na rin. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda. Ito yung pagkabalot ko, hindi siya talaga perfect, pero okay naman. Ganito lang siya kahaba. Ang katamtaman lang, medyo maliliit. Ayan. And then, ilalagay ko na to siya sa my freezer. Kasi lulutuin ko to after 3 hours. Lagay ko lang to guys sa freezer. So, nag-order yung friend ko guys ng pizza. Kainin namin to. Andyan na rin siya. Hey guys! Pupunta na kami ng labas ng bahay. Ha? Okay. This one? Like that? Okay. Bring the walker. Oh, sorry. That's good. Why is it loud? Why is this loud? Wait, I'm gonna help you. I'll just put here. Want me to bring this? Yeah. Maybe just there.
Test out the brakes in the walker.
Wait, don't do that. Don't do that. It hurts, but don't do that. Walking. Ayan, nagpa-vlog din ako sa YouTube. Abangan nyo yan guys ha.
Alright. Back to bed.
Wait, dito kami guys sa labas ng aking asawa. Para maglakad-lakad. Ay, babalik na kami sa loob. Ay. Babalik na kami sa loob ng bahay guys. Mabilis lang. 4 minutes nang nalakad. You don't need my help? Guys, ito kami nag-ano ng mga basura. Nagpapuntakwan. Baho.
Ay!
Sasakyan namin nakatambay. Tambay na yan ng 2 months kasi walang driver. Bamboo shoots. May mga bamboo kami dito. Ano na pala guys? 7:30 PM na dito. Ayan o. Ang ganda pa ng lightnings. Ewan ko kung ano to siya. Ito na yung mga tanim ko. Ito pa lang guys yung tumubo. Malunggay. Ito siguro, iyan siguro yung malunggay. Kasi parang, ewan ko ba? Sana malunggay yung tumubo. Yan pa lang. Ito bago ko pa lang natanim. At ito hindi pa tumubo. 10 araw na. Sana mabuhay kayo ha. Please lang. Kasi need ko ng gulay. Pero mabuti yung ito tumubo na. At least may pag-asa. Hello. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye-bye!